How to fix Facebook temporarily blocked error. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, scroll down. Over here you'll find this section of help and support. Click on that drop down. Now head towards the option of report a problem. Open it. Now click on report problem. Click on include. Over here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down and find the option of pages. Once you find it, open it. Now over here you have to explain about your issue. If you do have the screenshot of your issue, you can click on this option and add the photo as well. Now over here you have to explain about your issue. Even though you haven't violated any guidelines of Facebook, you got blocked, and request Facebook support team to resolve your issue as soon as possible. Once you type in that, you can click on the option of send. After you send it, now Facebook support team will get back to you and it will solve your problem. Well, this is how you can fix Facebook temporarily blocked error. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.